Disclaimer: the content seen in this video is done by professionals or is under professional supervision. Please do not try to recreate in any way, shape, or form, and always remember to wear your helmet. Thanks, guys, and enjoy the video.
Dude.
What happened?
Well, welcome to part 3, everyone. I am already tossed up. I got a little sideways in that corner there, and to be quite honest, the ankle is not mint right now. So I asked Brock what he wants to do, if he wants to postpone the video or if he wants to take the spotlight, and I heard homie's going airborne on the Mini.
That's the plan here.
That's the plan? JS7, baby. Ain't got shit on Brockus. Normally, I'm not one to bitch out, but I've re-injured this ankle probably 6 times in the past year already, and it keeps happening time over and time over. So we'll let Brock take this video. Thanks for taking lead this video.
Oh yeah, I had to. What he got?
Trep is here too.
Pin it right off the top.
Oh, you're thinking 3/4 throttle, pin it at the top.
Yeah.
I'm thinking instead of that mask we got from Walmart, you wear this guy and just pin it from the straight top.
Straight top?
Yup. You shitting yourself?
A little bit. I'm a little scared.
Wide open, baby. Hit her, baby.
This thing's gonna fucking launch.
Holy fuck! Dude, you blew that thing! Holy shit, Brock! But are you good?
I'm good, dude.
Are you good?
Took it like a champ.
I think Brock sent her enough today to say fairly pushed his luck.
I would say so, yeah.
We're gonna call her good after that, but this is the build part 3. Basically, she's all wrapped up. We got the custom plastics all done. We finished painting, did a little bit more welding, got a brand new throttle cable, did some artwork down where we welded our brand new footrest.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, mini bike is 110% done, and dude, it rips. It feels great. It looks great. I'd say there's a lot more builds to come in the future, and we're gonna definitely keep trying to run this YouTube channel.
We still got that 4-wheeler.
Still got the 4-wheeler. Uh-oh.
point.
Is that the teaser right there?
Dude,
that's the teaser. All right, we might or might not have a mini quad on the way. We're going to top this one off here. If you guys have any recommendations on videos you want to see in the future, let us know. We do got a bunch of crazy content coming up very shortly, though, so stay tuned. Much love.
Subscribe, motherfuckers.
Wow, that one was blunt. Let's take a re-wrap on that. You got to get more aggressive. Stand up, get cooched.
Subscribe, motherfuckers.
I think you need the mask.
Subscribe, motherfuckers. We're done here.
We're done here.